TMC Transportation, honest review, and user experience of this leading trucking company. If you're looking to start a trucking career or switch companies, TMC Transportation is a name that comes up often. I wanted to know if it really lives up to the hype, so here's my honest review and experience. TMC is one of the largest employee-owned flatbed trucking companies in the US, and that's a big deal. Being employee-owned means drivers actually share in the company's success through profit sharing and stock ownership. Most people get this wrong. They think trucking companies treat drivers like numbers. But at TMC, I found the culture surprisingly supportive. Training is structured, the equipment is modern, and pay is competitive, especially for new drivers. Their paid KDL training program is a major plus. You can join with little to no experience, get trained, and start earning right away. The average first-year driver earns between $0 which is impressive for the industry. The trucks are top-tier, mostly Peterbilts with advanced safety tech and comfortable interiors, which makes long hauls more manageable. Of course, the job still demands long hours and time away from home, but that's true of any auto position. In short, TMC Transportation is one of the better choices if you're serious about a trucking career. It's professional, transparent, and treats drivers with respect. If you want solid pay, modern equipment, and a company that invests in your growth, TMC delivers exactly that.